Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2019. Taking a look at homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 3.2. Honors math has practice 3.4. Make sure that you're showing your work and have your paper set up the way we did in class. Also, we have 30 minutes of MobyMax. This is the time plus what you had on your test. See Mrs. Cap or Mr. Sperling if you have any questions. In science, regular science has an assignment called classifying elements on their Chromebook. Honor science, they have finding elements as well as topic selection due this Friday. Social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we have a Google Classroom form. Halloween puns, if you were at school yesterday and paid attention in class, this should be very, very simple for you. And then literature, half of our AR points are due on Monday, November the 11th. That's 13 days from today. I know during library, we sat down and reviewed everyone's AR. Make sure that you're on top of that. Also a reminder, tonight at the school, Mrs. Shaver sent home information last week. You can earn 5 AR points if your parents show up to the meeting about drugs and other things tonight and get that signed and get that stamped. In CNL, review the recipe and planning sheet for tomorrow's lab. And FCS 6, there is no homework. That's it for this Tuesday. Everyone have a great day.